See students, I have taught you what is the meaning of oxidation. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. And then there are certain oxidizing agents or oxidants which brings about the process of oxidation. So here are some examples of oxidants or the oxidizing agents given, like K2Cr2O7, which is potassium dichromate into an acidic medium, sulfuric acid. Then this is KMnO4, that is potassium permanganate, again into the acidic medium, that is sulfuric acid. Then hydrogen peroxide can also be used as a mild oxidant because it is helpful in bringing about the oxidation, so it is also an oxidizing agent. Then ozone, O3, it is also a chemical oxidant, or it is also known as an oxidizing agent, because these are certain substances, or these are certain chemicals which can bring about the oxidation of another substances. So in every case, here in K2Cr2O7 into an acidic medium, again potassium permanganate, then this hydrogen peroxide, ozone, these are all able to produce a nascent oxygen as given over here into these reactions. What is this nascent oxygen? Nascent oxygen is the first stage of formation of oxygen molecule, and this nascent oxygen means single atom of oxygen, and this nascent oxygen is very reactive, and because of this it easily brings about, or it easily gets reacted with any of the substances along which it is present, and that is why it is known as and that is why whoever produces this nascent oxygen is known as the oxidizing agent. For example, see this O3, if it is decomposed, then it results into formation of oxygen molecule, and this nascent oxygen is produced. This nascent oxygen will easily react with any of the substance, and that is why we can say that ozone is an oxidizing agent or oxidant. Then hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, it will also decompose. It decomposes at the room temperature, but in the presence of catalysts like manganese dioxide, as I've taught you in my previous video, it decomposes easily and very fast, and it results in the formation of H2O, and also it produces a nascent oxygen. This nascent oxygen, as it is reactive, it will combine readily with any of the substance along with it is present, and then it will be known as oxidizing agent, this hydrogen peroxide. Then here it is K2Cr2O7 into an acidic medium, that is sulfuric acid. This K2Cr2O7 means potassium permanganate. Then see how the reaction will take place into an acidic when this potassium permanganate will react with sulfuric acid, it will first result into formation of K2SO4. See carefully, K2SO4, then this is chromium sulfate, and then this water molecule, and 3 nascent oxygens will be produced over here. So all these 3 nascent oxygens, these are very reactive, and this will get readily combined with any of the substance along with they are going to be present. Then another case, potassium permanganate, KMnO4, it will react with sulfuric acid, giving us potassium sulfate, manganese sulfate, water molecule, and 5 nascent oxygen. So this nascent oxygen, these are highly reactive, and this easily brings about the oxidation of any other substance along with they are present. So all these chemicals will be known as oxidizing agents. So oxidizing agents are those chemicals or those compounds which brings about the oxidation of other substances, but they get reduced themselves. They loses oxygen, but they give their nascent oxygen to some other substance, and then they brings about the oxidation of some other substance, and that is why these are known as oxidants or oxidizing agent.